This is Zan with Makeup Times. I'm here with Atticus Finch, the famous lawyer for Tom Robinson. I'm glad to be here with you.
Same here. Thanks for having me.
Okay, let's get started. What made you want to defend Tom Robinson?
Well, you see, the judge came to me. He told me about the case and told me I was the right guy for it. So I read up on it, and I came to the conclusion that I was the guy to do it because no one else would defend Tom Robinson, and I would.
Interesting. What was going through your head during the trial?
Well, I had to get the facts straight. So I legitimately thought that Tom was innocent. He didn't do it. And it came more apparent when Bob Ewell gave his testimony. He said that Mayella was beat up on her right side of the face, but if you look at Tom, his left arm is disabled. So
Okay then. But what happened after the trial?
well, Tom, the verdict was that he was guilty. Now this was very devastating. I mean, Tom has a family. He has a wife and a couple of kids. So it was pretty hard on them. They needed some support. Well, Tom was being transported.
Okay. Well, the biggest question yet. What happened in the woods with your children and Bobby?
I plead the fifth.
Well, I think that's all. That's all for right now. Have a great night.